Now let's take a look at how to use the button widget of the classic add-ons plugin. First open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section and choose this preferred layout, and in the left sidebar click on this widget options and search for the button widget. Just simply click on to add into your section, and this is the button type. Here you can choose the type of the button, and in the text area you can enter the button text, and in the link field you can enter the URL of the button. The next is the alignment. Here you can choose the preferred alignment, and next you can choose the preferred size of the button, and in the icon field you can choose your preferred icon for the button, and here you can choose the icon position. The next is icon spacing. You can choose your preferred space, and this is the button ID. Here you can enter your unique ID for customizing this particular button. Next click on the style option, and here you can change the text shadow, and the next is text color. You can change it in the normal and overview. Now let's change this background color. Next let's change it in the hover, and this is the hover animation. Here you can change the preferred animation, and this is the border type. Here you can choose the preferred border type, and here you can change the border with border color and the border radius. The next is box shadow. Here you can change it as per your requirement. The next one is padding. Here you can change the padding value for the button. The next one is typography. Here you can change the font family and the font style. Finally update it, and let's check it in the output.